school, a lot of work because it's school, but I got by. And guess what, you guys? Guess what? You're ready. Say good morning to Faves.
One.
How about you? You ready?
Yes.
You like my hair? You don't see a full of my hair this morning? You didn't see it? You fall under what? Under? I say. You have fallen under the face.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I can't sing too loud for you and too high for you then. Too much energy this morning because all my energy went into that workout. Just finished working out, babe, and I went inside already. And now the routine continues. I have 1 hour to get myself ready, get my kids ready, and get out of this house and go to school, drop my kids to school while babe will head off to work. So time management around here is on cue. We have no time to waste, no minute to spare. Every minute counts, every minute matters. So want to learn a lesson here? Time management is key to get everything done within your day. Plan, prep ahead of time, and you won't fail on your accomplishments that you set out to accomplish for the day. So enjoy today's vlog, whatever bits that we'll get to share with you guys. Have a good day, be safe on the road, take care of yourself and your family, be kind to one another, catch up and keep up, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and of course I'll see you guys along the day. I'm gonna jump in the shower right now and I'll show you guys what else I'll be doing throughout the day. So mission 1 accomplished, on to the next. Have a good day. One is awake and having breakfast. Say good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. Let's go for the princess. Where is she? Look at her. Good morning, Sarah. Hello. Good morning. Good. 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 Good morning. Want pee pee? Yeah. Say good morning to Faves.
One.
How about you? You ready?
Yes.
But close your bag. Everything is in?
Please.
Everything is in your bag? Laundry need to put outside. We just put them on the line. Kids are ready. And it's time to leave this house. You like my hair? You don't see a full of my hair this morning? You don't see it? You fall on the what? On the? I say. You have fallen in the face. You're not looking at me? What are you looking for? Looking at that bed. Tylenol. You want Tylenol? Pink tablet. Yeah, that's what they are. You want the Tylenol? Hi guys, I am home. You guys haven't seen me all day because I was busy at school, but I finally got home, made it home. Having a little headache, but I'm just gonna loosen my hair up a bit to ease that. And I have 1 hour before I go and pick up my kids. So since I don't have to cook dinner today because I cooked dinner yesterday, I'm gonna use this hour and tidy my house up a bit so that when the rest of the family come home, they too can relax. They won't have to be helping to tidy up and such. Everybody can jump right into dinner. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I had a good day at school, a lot of work because it's school, but I got by. And guess what, you guys? Guess what? Tyler will be happy when Tyler gets home because I got selected for delegate of the class. And if you guys wondering what that means, because I use the word delegate, I use a French word, it means that in Jamaica it says that you're the prefect of the class, you're the monitor of the class. So we had to do that for the class. I didn't nominate myself to go up against the rest of the students in the class, but everybody, because nobody didn't want to volunteer themselves as a candidate, we were told that everybody needs to vote on a paper. Just write a name on a paper who you want to be the prefect of the class. And 9 person wrote Melissa on their paper. 13 of us is in the class. So I now have another responsibility on top of all this work that I have to do. And Tyler was also selected delegate of his class on Monday, 2 days ago. So when Tyler gets home and he hears that I got selected to be delegate of the class, he'll be happy. So when I message babe and I'm like, babe, guess what? I'm the delegate of my class. Babe was like, oh my god, are you serious? Like mother, like son. So Tyler will be happy. It's no big deal, it's just what it is. I have to do meetings and I have to do like if anybody in the class is having problem, they have to come to me, and then I have to carry the news to the office and yada yada yada. I was gonna turn it down when I found out that I would, like, oh my god, I was gonna turn it down, but I said, I flip it in my head and I say, you know what, Mel, this can only means that it will help you better your French. Because if it means that I have to write a problem or a solution that will only help me to practice writing the language, if I have to go and report orally to somebody in the office, it means that it will only help me better my French of speaking. So I said, okay, fine, I win. I won't let whoever vote for me regret voting. So I accepted. So I'll be happy to share the news with Tyler when he gets home, and I'll try and remember to film when I'm telling Tyler to see his reaction on his face. Anyway, I don't want to lose too much time. You guys know that time is money around here. Time is money. So I'm going to go clean up this house, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Picked up my kids from school. That 1 hour wasn't long. I cleaned the house, feel fresh. I have a surprise for Tyler. Guess what?
What?
Guess who is Delegate de la classe à l'école?
You?
I got selected today and the election was today and I won. There's 13 person in the class and I got 9 votes.
Yeah, I got more than you.
Yeah, but there's only 13 person in my class.
And 13 votes for me in my class.
Right. So only 4 person didn't vote for me.
You had 9 votes, just like the replace boy did.
So I tell Papa, no, you're gonna be happy. I was gonna say no. When they choose me, I was gonna say no, but I said, okay, I'll accept it. So delegate Mama and Papa, and Mama and Tai Tai.
Yeah. And also, it's the same day I take the photos. So
Yeah, Tyler told me earlier that he took his class photo today for his representation. You guys, I didn't show you guys the pictures that we took at OK Corral. Here are the photos we got from OK Corral. If you guys want to learn what I'm talking about, then you missed yesterday's vlog. We went to the park that had a Halloween theme day. So that was Tyler. No, don't move it. Put it back. That's okay. That's Sarah and I riding a horsey. And then, move Ty. We have a family photo with everybody.
doing the monsters.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, here goes dinner. Leftovers from yesterday, except the planting and except the ham. Tyler wanted that. So, that's dinner for tonight. Warm up and ready.
Excuse me, Mama.
Sarah, Tata gonna bite you. Run, Sarah, run! Tata gonna bite you, run! Ah! 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 Boo! No shouting. You want me to hide you? Okay, I'll hide you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like there's all here I come. Where's Sarah?
Yeah.
Under the table. Oh, I hear Sarah. Sarah. Tai turn. Sarah, go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I think you fell. Ah, you fell. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where's Sarah? Under the table? No. She's in the car? No. Under Mama chair? No. Ah, let's see under the bed. Tu vois, dit papa, avec de la farine, de l'eau. Maman,
Yes, listen to Kai
Le
story.
boulanger fait une. C'est quoi ça? Qu'il pétrit bien. Il l'étale ensuite et la fait cuire dans un grand four. J'ai un peu faim, moi, dit Choupi. Voilà un petit bout de pain. Mon chéri. Devant la boutique du fleuriste. Ah! Papa dit à Choupi. Tu veux choisir des... Ah, maman, stop! Tu veux choisir
Okay,
des...
Mama soon finish. It's okay. Mama soon
Tu veux
finish.
choisir des... fleurs pour maman? Oui.
Hi guys, another long night, and I'm just coming on to end today's vlog as I'm about to go to bed. It's some minutes to 11 and I have to wake up and work out in the morning. Everybody's in bed, but I had some work to go over that I got today at class that I wanted to make sure that I understand properly. So I finished that, and I don't finish, but I think I need to go to bed now. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the bits and pieces of today, which I know you did. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.